Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 77 of building the Batmobile Tumbler from Hachette. In this issue, we're doing a little bit more with the vent thing that we started a few issues back. And then next time we're finishing that. And then we'll start the other side, basically. Futuristic fascination with the past. That sounds quite interesting, but I'm not going to read the words because, I'm not reading stuff at the moment. Batman and Robin. That was all right. It was a fun film. It wasn't a serious film in any stretch, but it was quite good. There we go. Have a look at that. Look at all the art and things. All good stuff. So, yes, this is what we've got now. We've got our actuator piston things, which we're making up and then fitting onto the bit that we were dealing with before. Just like so, until it looks like that. Obviously, they're not functional. Yeah, it will move. So they are partially functional. They're not activated or powered, but yeah, that's all right. And then next time we get another big plate. So let's clear this out of the way and let's get it built. Right, here we go. I have prepared all the stuff that's come this time. Obviously from before, we've got our big side vent panel thing. But first of all, we've got to make these up. So let me grab my screwdriver from that. We've got BP and AP screws, and most of what we're going to be doing is with the BP screws on this one. Let's get most of those out, I think. We need to make up two of the same. So we've got our little actuator piece, a BP screw there. I say the same, we are doing it slightly differently. So we've got our screw piece that needs to go through there. They are going in from different sides. So one of them goes through from the inside. Like so. Like that. And the other one does the same, but goes from the other side. So the screws are sort of tucked away on the inside there. So when we get that together, like that, we're going from this side. If I can get that connected up on there. Like that, and then that goes through there from that side. There we have that. I'll make sure I get them the right sides and not as tight that it doesn't actually move. That's better. That's that one. That's that one. I think I can go a little bit tighter on that one. There we go. That's better on there. So then we need an AP screw, or at least two of them. Keep that spare for later. I need two more of those in a minute. So we'll put one of those back in there. The spares. Yes, so we're attaching these to this. So we've got this one with the screw on the inside. I'm going to put on this side. That just goes into that little notch location like so. And the AP screw will go through the other side. Get it on the screwdriver. It goes through there and into the bit that I'm still holding in place. Just like that. Same on the other side. Let's just do that. It's a short enough episode that I'm not going to bother doing it behind the scenes. I might as well do it all up now and live. There we go. That one through there as well. There we have that. And then we've got the final piece, the actual piston itself, to go into there. Bend that up. Get that into there, and then the other end of that needs to go through in between our two pieces up here. Wedge that off to one side a little bit. I might have that slightly twisted in the bottom there. So let's try adjusting that a little bit first. Put that there. Where's the other one? That's up there. It's all right. Okay, let's just loosen this one off a little bit. If I can find the screw in the hole. Wasn't it? Come on, it's just there where I can see it. There we go. Loosen that a bit. Yeah, that then move a little bit more. Good. So let's try that again. We'll get that in there. Get the screw ready. Then we'll get that lined up between the two there. And this screw will go in from the outside. Now this I can't see. Might need to bring in higher magnification to do this bit. If that's not having it, and that's not having it, let me get my bigger magnification, which does mean I'm probably going to get my bigger head in the way even more than I have been. But let's have a look and see. Let's get the screw ready on there. That ready through there. And then that through there. No, I'm missing the bit in the middle. There we go. That should be it, I think. No, I missed a bit in the middle. Let's try the other side, see if that's any better for me. Obviously, the other side, I will come in from the other side. Get the piston in the tube. Get that lined up through there. That should be there. And then that should go through there. Oh, and again. About there. About there. It is there, I just can't quite get it in the right position. There we go. So that should be that, and that is going through there. So, no, I've missed it again, I think. Yep, I've missed it again. Right. Yes, so well, anyway, that's what it's got to do. I'll get that done. I'll show you what it looks like in just a sec. Right, there we go. That's both of those attached. The second one was easier once the first one was actually in place. So that does, in fact, now move, not very much, but just a little bit. I don't think it's really going to end up moving once it's in position. But there we go. That is that finished. Next time, I think we're getting a panel that we're attaching this to. So that's going to be quite good. And then we get to start the whole thing over again for the other side. But for now, that is that. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you're enjoying the build. Do leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And for more, I shall see you for more very, very soon. Bye-bye for now.